Hi guys, it's me, Cupid, and today we're gonna unbox all these relics and get my first diamond. So first, we're gonna start off with the key relic and see what we get. Ah, those are the keys, bro, I swear. And then now we're gonna do the move because we can. I don't know if these are good or not. I'm just kidding. And then brick relic. There we go. And then now we're gonna do the Valentine relic. Okay, kinda lame. Stormy relic. Stormy from Lizzie. Whatever. She's alright. She's not that bad, I think. Okay, Blossom relic. Okay, these are kind of bad, but and then Gold relic. Yeah, I already have you. Kind of disappointing, but I don't know if she's good or not. I just don't use her. My first diamond! Oh my god. Chat! I'm sorry. Got excited. Oh my lord. I don't know if she's good or not. Dude, I swear she's good. Trust. I've had her in many fights. Oh my lord. Yeah, mamacita! I'm a fighter! I have like 3 diamond keys already, I don't know why. Just do. It's now, what do you want from me? I need surviving peace. I got a lot of these. First diamond! Give me some more. I need to know if she's good or not. Oh, wait, I do have 4. Chat. New favorite? I know. I'm gonna set my avatar. Yeah. There we go. This is me. Hi, I exist.